Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have a quick video for you for Mother's Day cards. So let's get started. Now I found these card blanks packs from a Dutch vendor, and it's called, this company is called Lomiac. And yeah, it is made in Holland, and they make these beautiful die cut cards. And what we have here is a pack of A6 cards. There are 5 to a pack, and this is how the card looks like. So you can see how they are laser cut out, and how beautiful is this. When I saw it, I was thinking, well, sure, this is Valentine's Day, but couldn't it also be for a wedding, a card, Mother's Day, new baby? Anything where you would use hearts for embellishments. Now, this pack normally comes with no envelopes. It's just the 5 cards in here, but I will attach 5 envelopes because the size is a little bit off from our American sizes. Let's just take a look. It says here the card size is A6, and it's giving the dimensions in centimeters. But let's take a look in inch, and what we have here is 5 inch and 3/4 by 4 inch and 1/4. So a little bit off the A2 size here in the States. So again, not to worry, the matching envelopes, I have attached them to them. So let's see what I have done with these cards. I had a lot of fun and they were quick. So I started off thinking, okay, I don't want Valentine's themed cards. So what can I do? Well, first you use different colors, right? So now what you have here is, of course, the cut out, and what I have done is I have layered it with glittered paper. So this is a great way to use up your glittered paper because now you actually have a beautiful background. I added 2 of those peel-off stickers that I carry in my store in many different colors. Here, this one here is in green. These sticker packs, let's see if I have one laying around so you can see how they look like. So yes, here is one. This is in purple, of course, but this is one of these sticker sheets that have all these different border stickers, and I used just a couple. This obviously has a different color, but I used a couple in green here because you have this beautiful white linen type of cardstock, sturdy. And now, how have I embellished it? Well, I punched out 3 hearts. Actually, this is I die cut those. Those are dies. So I die cut 3 hearts, added them to those, and then I needed small embellishments. Now, what I have here, you can see, is this beautiful can with the pansies, and then another vase with tulips, and another one down here with those purple lilies. So what I have used is actually the packaging from our Easy 3D toppers. So remember, all of our Easy 3D toppers have the packaging where it shows you the 10 embellishments in there. And if you don't mind fussy cutting, you can fussy cut around them and have a small embellishment. Small enough to add it to a card like this. The only other thing I added is just a couple of arrows, then a ticket here, whatever you have in your stash. You could even add a little bit of fabric or washi tape and add those 3 hearts to the heart die cuts. Then I have the happy birthday here. Those are new sentiment stickers in my store, and I'm gonna show them to you in a minute, but I'm gonna zoom in, and here they are. There is the one in gold. I also have them in silver. And these are vertical, right? So this is different than others. So you have them the vertical greetings, a couple of balloons as well. So 2 different sizes, happy birthday. And this is how it looks when you put it on a card. Looks fresh, and I like the I like the way it looked. So here is the first card, but there is more. Okay, check out this one. Same thing. I used some glitter background paper. Then I die cut again 3 hearts. Used a smaller embellishment that I had created myself. It's just a cluster of things that I had in my stash. Some music paper, pearls, couple flowers, this cute kitty cat. And again, a happy birthday, but this could easily be happy Mother's Day. Just another bling heart, and then some bling here at the bottom. And here we have this card. Now, next is this same thing, some glitter background, and again it also fills up the inside so you have it clean inside. Here I just punched out some hearts again from background paper that is beautiful, so I didn't need 3 embellishments. I just added a little arrow there. With love is also from a sticker sheet that I will link below. And then here is one of our 3D stickers from the sticker pad. I think I still have a few of those available in my shop. Those are the 3D stickers, and I will link them below. And this is just one of these sticker sheets. So I just wanted to share one with you. So in my shop I have these packs of 10 with different sticker sheets in it, but this is how they look. This is just one. This is how they look like. I already took one off here, but they are already layered and they're stickers. Now you will get 10 different sticker sheets, and they're all slightly different. I bought them in bulk, and I think I have 1 or 2 packs remaining. Otherwise they're gone. But yeah, if you like these type of stickers, they have some bling on it, a little bit of glitter. They just are wonderful for embellishing packages, cards, tags, etc. So one I just added here, and this is my card with a peel-off sticker here for the border. And then I thought this would also make great welcome baby cards, and here is my card. Okay, so, and here you see this cute baby card, and what I have done here, again, beautiful glitter paper in the background, a couple of stickers, and then these corners you have seen now over the last couple of videos, they all come from sticker sheets. I again punched out hearts, and then these cute little embellishment, baby embellishments, are from Dress My Craft. And let's see, this is called Little Miracles, and it has all these die cuts in here, and there is a matching paper pack. So let's take a quick look. Let's look at the die cuts. Let's put them, I put them in here so you can see there are so many in there. But yeah, you got these cute little ducklings, you got the babies in the carriage, baby, and I love this artwork, so beautiful. Baby and a teddy bear. We got here horse and carriage, cute little fuzzy kitty faces. So many embellishments for babies. So if you have a baby in your family or need to make some cards, also for a baby album, this would be just gorgeous. So you have this pack, and then it also comes with a matching 6x6 paper pack. And let's just flip through this here very quickly. There is some, let's just see what's in here. So there are 2 sheets of 12 designs. So you basically have 24 papers, 240 GSM. So nice, sturdy cardstock. So let's see what we have here. Oh, first of all, we have these beautiful cut aparts. Let's see how we do this. Maybe I lay it to the side, I think. Then I'm gonna, yeah, so let's see. So we have these cutter parts, beautiful stripes. We have the alphabet, like a typewriter. Polka dots always are nice. Got some chevron here. All over designs with these cute toppers. And it says, welcome to the family. That, by the way, I have on here. Welcome to the family. How cute is that? Here are the kitties. The dogs. Beautiful sentiments. More polka dots, and again the ducks. So it's called Little Miracles, paper pack and die cuts. Yeah, and here is the card that I have created, and I think this makes a cute welcome baby card. And here are the 4 cards again. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you liked my cards, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate your support. This is all I have for you today. Please stay tuned for more card videos from me every Saturday. Please stay or get well, happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.